Hi guys, my name is Heather and this is my very first video I'm going to be uploading on YouTube. So today I'm going to be pronouncing some common Hungarian words that Americans may not pronounce. This is an attempt to pronounce them, so if you're a native Hungarian speaker, please let me know if I pronounce any of them wrong. I have been learning languages for the past 6 years, and I have experience with certain languages and dialects. I've been around more of the Latin language side though, and Germanic and English and all that some stuff. So here's a little background. My name is Heather, like I said in the video. I speak English fluently, and I am learning Spanish and German. My Spanish level is around an A2, B1 level. I would say B1 more for understanding and A2 for like sentence structure. And then German, A1, A2. I would say my German's more of an in-between level because I understand a lot of German, but I can't really like form sentences, or sometimes I don't even know vocabulary. So I would say I'm like in between. And then Hungarian, I am learning Hungarian for fun. It's not for seriousness, I just do it for fun, just like I'm about to do in this video. So I'm going to attempt to pronounce these words, and I will put the words in the video somewhere. And yeah, so first of all, beautiful in Hungarian is gyönyörű. Gyönyörű. I believe that's how you say it. I am so sorry if I messed that up, but csirke means chicken, and Gave means coffee. And I'm gonna say a few words that I know, and I have a friend who speaks Hungarian, and she tells me that I pronounce these words right. So, first of all, szia, that means hello. And then köszönöm, that means thank you. And let's see. Igen, that means yes. And nem means no. What else do I know in Hungarian? Nő. That means woman. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I believe it's nő. And férfi means man. And fiú means boy. And lányi means girl. So I really tried here. So if you guys have any suggestions on how I can pronounce words in Hungarian better, please let me know. Thank you. Bye. And please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.